Hey everyone, Marissa here, and we are yet again going to do another unboxing. Woohoo! So before we do this unboxing on the MNVNs, which we just won, we're gonna go back down memory lane. And as you can see here, we have my very first Yeezys, if you can believe it. The start of a terrible habit of buying these shoes consistently now.
Big mistake. Big. Huge. I have to go shopping now.
First line outside the Adidas store for these bad boys.
I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over.
But man, I guess there's nothing better than that feeling of like actually having to work super hard for a shoe. When you put it on your foot, it feels so much better. It doesn't even matter actually like what it looks like because of that entire process that you have to go through to get them. And so these are my babies. I love them so much. They go with everything. This black on black, it's great. And the reason I'm talking about these is because the shoe I'm about to unbox has some similarities. It's the same silhouette, but it's got some key differences that we're going to compare. So shall we get to this unboxing? It's a tricky box we have today. So these are definitely a bit different. We've got a little bit more going on here. Once again, these are the same silhouette, the 700s, and pretty close actually to identical in color combo, except here on the Vantas we've got this nice suede going, a little bit different texture here as well. And on here, you can see it's actually got the 700 marking on it. So if you forget what silhouette this is, you've got it on your shoe. But also, this is a completely different fabric, my God. And the laces, completely different as well. If you can see here, we've got some major lace differences going on. These ones are much more durable, my God. These are some strong laces, and it looks like, oh, wait a second. This is dope. You don't have to tie these.
Today I don't feel like doing anything.
I like to tuck and hide my laces, and this one you don't need to do that with. Wow, okay, that's exciting. It looks like we've got some nice leather going on through the behind the lace section here, which is quite nice. I'm not sure about this material, but it looks like you don't feel it as much. It's definitely got a bit of a different texture going on here compared to the Vantas, which it's just definitely a different material. But yeah, I really like these. These are pretty dope. Time for the sniff challenge. Smells like a tent. Still a good scent.
You've got to catch me if you want me to hang, 'cause I'm back in the truck and I'm beating the flag. Nobody's